Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I just wanted to go over with you our trading day today. It's 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time, and we had a really great trading day today. Now on gold, earlier, right here at 8:24, we had this precipitous drop, which we actually could have caught, um, but it just if you look at the time, it's 8:24:24, 8:25, 8:25, 8:25. These just spit out like a rocket. Was no way to capture that down move. Then you can see gold is consolidating here. See our quant line. Low volume. Then volume starts to pick up here. Again, these candles would just spit out 841, 841, 841. It's the way gold moves sometimes. Then finally, got a great trade. Got the move down, the move up, and the continuation trade to the downside for 19 ticks. Now, this was a move on a yellow 15, which we took on a chase dot, which is right here. This gives us the ability to trade as long as our higher time frames align. See, we had the darkest background bias to the downside, order flow and momentum to the downside, and we had our quant line that compiles data from multiple correlative markets to the downside, and down the trade went 19 ticks real quick. And since the time that we've been trading, we've had nothing. No quant line here, no chase dot. Could have taken this on a chase dot. But really nothing conservative, 19 ticks. And on crude, we had this move down. Didn't want to take this. Quant line was yellow, and we had no background bias. Now this definitely was a tradable signal. The move to the downside, back up. This would have been a nice move down. Probably should have taken it in retrospect, but what I elected to do was to hope that the market would start to consolidate before it took a leg down. It didn't do it. And I believe the market was marginally oversold at the time, but I might have been wrong here. Not really. I mean, that was a tradable short, but we made up for it. Again, I took this on a chase dot. We had the move down. Right through the 15. Entry was here. Went 10 ticks. And the pit opened. It just ticked us out of this trade, or we would have gotten this entire move for 40 some odd ticks. So we had two trades and two winners. The plus 10, one off at 5, one off at 10, and one off at 1. Gold 19, one off at 5, one off at 10, one off at 11. Net ticks were 29, net equity 420. Auto Trader had no trades. Let's just take a look. So we made $420 on two trades. Let's take a look at the ES because we didn't really trade it. You can see the quant lines are just all over the place here. Now here's our first reasonable period of green. Now here's the open volume. Just very choppy. Just nothing to trade. There's a move to the downside on dual reds. If order flow and momentum, you don't have background bias. That's a tough trade. Nothing conservative on the ES. Let's see about the Russell. Russell probably is not going to be a whole lot better, but you never know. Nah, it's not a break on a yellow 15. Here's a trade right here. Not a big one, but a winner. 8 ticks. And then this would be an aggressive. Now, you have dual yellows here. Can't take that trade. This trade is tough. It's way off support, right into a pivot. So just nothing really conservative on the Russell either. And let's take a quick look at bonds. No, we haven't traded bonds. Here we go. And this is a tremendous trade on bonds. 20 ticks at $32 a tick, but it was at 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. Now here's a very aggressive long trade at 7:41 in the morning for 17 ticks. Otherwise, really nothing on bonds. But the dual quants on bonds are absolutely fabulous. And let's take a quick look at this at the 6E. See what that gave us today. Yeah, we looked at the 6E. Tough market setups on the 6E. Right here was our one trade. Consolidation, continuation to the downside. The thing is that with the quant lines, 19 ticks. With the quant lines, we really could not take a loser. Now this move up, it's a tough move up without bias. It could be taken aggressively, the C, right here. But it doesn't go very far. And if it doesn't hit your first target, it's going to come back to support, not stop you out, because your stop is 1 tick below your entry candle. And then it's going to give you a nice trade. Then here is your entry. Really beautiful entry. Now let me see what the MA diff is here. This is probably somewhat of an extended trade, but let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit overbought. But on this move, with background bias, quant line, not that overly aggressive. So a couple of some nice trades on the 6E as well. But we nailed it on crude and gold. 2 trades, 2 winners. We're up about $1,000 for the week so far. Let's see if we can't push it higher tomorrow. Get 2 trades out between $400 and $500. Make our minimum requirement, which is $1,000 a week after commissions for a $50,000 a year net equity, and we're punching it. So if you want it, we welcome you into the room. Sign up for a free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our ES Auto Trader net equity, Russell Gold, and crude Daily Net Equity. Excuse me, I'm getting hoarse. A link to the sign up for a free trial page, and a link to a contact us page. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. I'm losing my voice. Sorry about that. I must be getting a little bit of a cold, but I will definitely be in the trading room tomorrow. So listen, everyone, have a great afternoon. We did great today, and we're rolling on the week, and I hope to see everyone in the trading room. We're going to be coming out with some additional quant lines, and working on the quant line dashboard, which is, I think, going to be a revolutionary device or software system for getting great trades on as many as a dozen or more markets. So everyone, have a great day.